Hi musical explorers, welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to continue to do our level 1 theory book. So let's hop straight into our lesson today. Alright, so just a quick review from last time. We were doing intervals. So we learned about, just intervals and how to make them and identify them. So in this lesson, we're going to be doing lesson 5, our whole entire lesson in one video, which is our new system. But yeah, we're going to be learning about major key signatures. So we're going to learn about C, G, D, and F major. So yeah, okay, so let's do a quick little lesson on this. So first, what is a key signature? Key signature is found at the beginning of the music between the clefs and the time signature, just like that. Like this. These are the key signatures, okay? All right. The key or tonality of the music. It is the key or tonality of the music. And it basically tells us which notes are sharp or flat in the music. Got it? So, let's actually do that. Okay, so here are the given key signatures of C major, G major, D major, and F major. So we can see that in C major, there is no sharps, no flats. In G major, there's F sharp. In D major, there are F sharp and C sharp. And in F major, there are B flat. Okay, well, basically what that means is in the whole entire piece, all of the Fs will be played as F sharps unless it is written in like a different, unless it's given to you that it is another key, okay? Like if it's like natural or flat or whatever, okay? Awesome. So let's move on. Name these major keys. So this is actually just something to memorize, I guess, especially the F major. The F major, you have to always memorize that it is going to be F major has one B flat, right? So yeah, that's something to work on as we progress. But yeah, let's work on this exercise first. So let me give you guys like a small little lecture of what you'll be learning as you progress into higher levels. But this is just a little like hack or trick on how to find major keys. Okay, so for example, it is given to us that there is one F sharp. Well, we want to go to the F sharp key right here. And to find the major, we go half a step above this key. So let's remember what half steps and whole steps are. We don't go a whole step up, we only go half step. So we go to the G. So G is going to be our major key here. So this is a G major. I think I'm just going to write it like that to represent major, okay? Now this one is also one that you should memorize, that you don't really have like a tip on how to memorize this, but basically in C major, just always remember that in C major, there's no sharps, no flats, there's no key signature. So it's going to be just all naturals, okay? So that, as we can see, there's no sharps, no flats. That means it is a C major key signature. Got it? Okay, now let's do this one. This one is also one that you have to memorize, like I said like before, but this one is F major because, well, there's no tip on how to like memorize this really, like on this one. Like it's not like the first one you can use that, like go half a step up to find the major. For this one, you have to just memorize it. So in F major, you have to always remember there's a B flat. So B flat is F major, okay? This one's one of like the more trickier ones to have to memorize, but as you progress, like I said, you'll get better and better at it. So yeah, I think you guys will be fine. Now let's do this one. This one can be also done by using this. So we take the last sharp. This only applies to sharps, not flats, okay? So we take the last sharp, which is a C sharp. Let's find a C sharp here. And you go half a step above that sharp, which is a D. That means this is a D major key signature. Just like that. This works on all of the sharps. Yeah, they work on all of the sharps key signatures. So yeah, that's a great way to find like the majors and stuff like that. So yeah. Now let's do our second exercise. Draw the key signature for these major keys in both clefs. Well, I mean, it's right up there. So if you guys, I guess you guys could copy it straight down, but another way of like learning it, like actually learning it and how to like actually find it by not copying is pretty easy. Or yeah, you could do it by the method I'm gonna teach you as well as just memorizing. So yeah, so let's do G major first. So I don't think you guys can see it. Let me put it here. So in G major, we can find first, it says G major, right? Find the key G. Now you want to go half a step below. Boom. That is going to tell you what sharps are going to be in the key. So we have F sharp. So that's the only key we're going to have. F sharp. Right? Okay. And that's going to be it. Now for F major, we have to memorize that there's only B flat. So there's only going to be B flat in it. Okay, got it. D major. So D major, find the D. And then you want to go half a step below. It's going to give us C sharp. Okay, C sharp. Well, there's obviously not only going to be just a C sharp there, because if we follow the order of sharps, there's going to be F and C, which I think the order of sharps is going to be taught to you in the other books that are coming up, probably not in the level 1 book. So I think it's better if we just leave it off like that. I think it will be taught to you in the future books. So for now, we're just going to remember that in D major, there's F sharp and C sharp. So F sharp, C sharp. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about the order of sharps and order of flats for now, because I don't think that's going to be in the level 1 book. But yeah, we will definitely be going over that in our other books. So yeah. And in C major, there is nothing, right? Right. Awesome. So we're technically done with this page now. Let's move on to the next page. 3. Write the names of the major key for each example. The first one is given. Okay, so this is a pretty easy exercise as well. It's basically giving you the piece and you want to find the key that it is in. Okay, so, well, how do we do this? Like we said in this page, we have to find the key signature, right? And after you find the key signature, you should be able to find the major key. Since for now we're only learning about major key and not minor key, so we don't have to worry about minor key for now. We are worrying about major key. So we're going to know that all of these are majors. That's awesome. So let's see. So in order to find the key, we have to look at the key signature that is given. So the key signature here is, where is it? Right, it's here. It's the one like that, right? Correct. So it has F sharp in it, right? Right, well, let's see. What major has F sharp in it? Well, it looks like it's G major, right? That means this piece is in the key of G major. Just gonna write it like that. Awesome. Okay, now let's do our next exercise. Same thing, we want to look at the key signature. So in this one, the key signature is B flat. Well, what key has B flat in it? Well, yeah, this is one to memorize, remember? So this one is going to be F major. Okay, so this means that this piece is in the key of F major, just like that. Awesome, we got this. Now let's move on to our next page. Okay, let's see. From the Cuckoo by Muller. Okay, I actually don't know how to pronounce that. I'm pretty sure I pronounced it wrong, but is the piece the Cuckoo? Okay, so let's look at the key signature. Let's see. Well, is there anything in the key signature? The key signature is supposed to be over there, right? But there's nothing in the key signature. Well, what does that mean? Let's see. What major has no key signature in it? Well, yeah, it's our C. It's our C major, right? So, which means this piece is in the key of C major. Sloppy writing. C major. Got it. Okay. Let's do this one now. Oh, actually, we don't have to do anything here. But this is just for us to memorize that in the key signature of C major, let's see. So in the key of C major, we can just highlight it. In the key of C major, there's no sharps or flats, right? So there's no key signature, right? Remember? Good. We have to just memorize this for now because I think we're going to be learning about the order of flats and order of sharps in our maybe next book or next few books. But yeah. And in F major, there is B flat. Here, B flat. G major has F sharp. D major has what? F sharp and C sharp. Correct. Awesome, we got it. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's lesson. We did the, we did the major key signature of C, G, D, and F. And well, we didn't really learn how to like find, the order of sharps, order of flats, whatever. That is going to be something else to worry about another time. So for now, we just have to memorize all of this, and we should be good. So yeah, but I hope you guys learned in this video like where the key signature is located and what the key signature is, and yeah. And we also did some exercises on like the key signature of these majors and key signatures of these majors in like actual pieces. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's lesson. Alrighty, musical explorers, that's gonna be it for today's video. We did a lot of work on key signatures of sharps of C sharp or of C major, F major, G major, and D major, not sharps, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys had a lot of fun learning about these key signatures, and I'll see you guys in our next lesson. Bye!